Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, as part of the today's session, we are going to say some interesting concepts, which is how can I capture a screenshot and how exactly I can capture a video using a program. That's the key thing that we need to study. So, ideally, for these two commands, we have a direct command that we have in our code base. What I'm doing right now is I'm taking one existing program. Okay, capture screenshot video. Okay, I just created a new program. So this program does has the app launching and the basic functionality in that. In order to capture the screenshot, right? The only command that we need to use here is save screenshot. For this save screenshot, you just need to give the absolute path where exactly you need to save this file. For now, what I'm doing means rather than storing somewhere else, I want to store in this particular path itself. So the absolute path I have a copied. So here, this is the one slash the name of the file image1.png. So I want to store my file here within this particular folder with a name as a image1.png. Okay, image1.png. That's it, as simple as it is. I want to deal with it, guys. Let me try to run this particular code and check it out after the execution whether the screenshot is stored in this location or not. As of now, I'm giving a name here directly. Moving further, whenever you are working on a frameworks level, right, you can give a dynamic retrieval of a date timestamp and you can give that particular name there. Okay, you can generate the date timestamp and you can give that. So the execution is completed. So if you check it out over here, image1.png, it got a captured, and when I open it, see the same image, whatever you have, it got a captured. So this is the way how exactly you can capture a screenshot. Whereas with respect to the video, you do have an option which is driver dot the start screen recording, and wherever you want to stop you can use driver dot stop screen recording. Okay, stop the recording the screen, and ideally the data that you are getting from this particular one is a raw data, so I'm storing it as a raw data. So this is gonna be a base 64 format. We need to decode it. So this is a base 64 encoding format. You will be getting the recording. You will be decoding that. Okay, you will be decoding that. So the next and a most important thing here is where exactly you want to save this particular file. On this particular machine, the path is gonna be okay, the path, the absolute path. So this is what the absolute path is gonna be. Okay, this is gonna be the absolute path. Here, video 1 dot mp4. Probably I can give a video 2 dot mp4. This is what my file path is. I wanna save this video that it is it captured between the instances into this particular location. So with the help of with, basically we are gonna store this particular file. Okay, we are gonna decode it and we are gonna store it. So here we will be using a write this particular binary as any instance, basically a video, and here this video I wanna write it down. Okay, base 64 decoded video, and this decode, it's gonna be that particular raw data. Whatever the raw data, that video you have stored, it should be decoded and it should be stored as part of an mp4 with a name as a video 2 in this particular location. So let me try to run this particular program and check it out whether the video is being captured or not. Of course, I have changed my image name as an image too. This time, whenever the execution got completed, it will be storing that particular image and as well as a video. Of course, the action is being performing. And after that, it will kill that particular application and the execution is completed. If you see right now, image 1, image 2, and the video 2 is captured. So right click on a video 2, open in a finder. As in when I opened it, basically, if you see that particular video, whatever the actions that it is performing from where you have added from start the recording of a screen to end of that particular recording, the complete instance is being captured within this particular video. So this is the way how exactly you can capture a screenshot and as well as a video, guys. Okay, perfect. See you in the next session. Thank you.